Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove a signature from a PDF in Adobe. First, open the PDF document containing the signature you want to delete using Adobe Acrobat. Once the document is open, carefully scroll through the pages to pinpoint the exact signature field. It is crucial to identify whether it is a digital signature or simply an image placed on the document. Make sure you have editing rights for the file. Next, you will need to access the appropriate editing tools within Adobe Acrobat. Look to the right-hand panel of your screen for the Fill and Sign or Edit PDF options. Clicking on one of these tools will reveal a new set of options and functionalities tailored for modifying your document. This is where you will find the controls needed to interact with the signature element, allowing you to prepare for its removal. Once you have the editing tools active, move your mouse over the signature you wish to remove. Click directly on the signature to select it. You should see a bounding box appear around it. With the signature selected, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. Another method is to right-click on the selected signature and then choose the Delete option from the small pop-up menu. This action will effectively remove the signature from your document. After successfully deleting the signature, it is essential to save your changes to the document. Navigate to the File menu at the top left of your screen, then select Save to overwrite the current file. For best practice, consider using Save As to create a new version of the PDF. This preserves your original signed document while providing you with a clean, unsigned copy. You can then choose a new name and location for the modified file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.